town called Urume or St. Vincent,
Yeah.
there was there was all kind of success among the residents, among the inhabitants, right? They lived in unity. Everybody lived in unity. Their homes were good, kind, and they also had all kind of agriculture for their food. Trade was their main source of income. They traded with other people from different islands. When the strangers or British saw the success of the lifestyle of the Garinagu, they started giving them trouble. They started burning their homes and their agriculture until they became poor, and eventually calamity arrived to the town. When the Garinagu saw that these strangers were trying to eliminate them, eradicate them, they then decided to go into war. Among all that kind of war, different type of wars, there was one system that was that really called attention. They picked the strongest 5 men who knew how to fight and knew how their way around to go around without being detected. They painted their skin with a red stain come from a fruit for them to become reddish. Then they bathe them with a type of medicine for the wild Indians, for those red, that will prevent their skin from being penetrated by weapons. Then their own people started fearing them, and they called them Indiani, which eventually became Indiu Barübarü. At night, one time during the night, they started venturing into the British town or occupation in the island. Those British who have expelled the Garinagu from that region. When they appeared, when the Indiu showed up into the town, into that town called Oweya, the war restarted. They were jumping all over, and they were so good using their arrow, very effective using the arrow, the bow and arrow, and also the blow darts. When the British noticed that they could not handle the Whale Indians, or the wild Indians, or those red skins, they run away from their town. When they had run away, the town got empty. The conch shell was blown by the wild Indians, calling the Garinagu to come and gather food from the town, and also to re-inhabit the area that used to belong to them. From then on, every year during the festivities, the biggest festivity at the end of the year, the Wild Indians comes to life, and they charge people running around in town. They charge people to not get sting. That's the legend of the Wild Indian, according to me. Other people may have their own stories.
Right.
And it's, in Honduras is known as...
And Honduras is known as Indiu Barübarü. Yeah, but the oldest name for this character is Wild Indian. Wild Indian in Garifuna, and English is Wild Indian. Yeah.
Can you post this online on your website so they could follow the story?
These
with
characters were known as the special forces of the Garinagu people during the war against the British.
The Green Beret.
In Urume.
Special.
Yeah, these are special forces. You know, they could destroy a town, you know, because they need fear. You know, the people got fear. If you can't kill them, you know, hey. And they're killing you. They're killing a lot of your people.
That's why the American Indians fight.
They could run away. Yeah. So this was also guerrilla type of war.
That's the distraction.
Yeah.
You don't know which one.
They're scared.
So you're gonna be able to find this in GAHFU site and also at Ruben Reyes online. Now let's do a little grammar work here. We're gonna do.
No. Wako aban dana lidana leha aban ubo le hirbe yurme anihe mehasu luru yeri awan suruni aban lilana pulasa lidanha uwarani haganwa sun gurigia Wiki turu yeri aban luma yine sun turu yeri kula wa lun hegi abura gay honey happy si u hebi hebe hamu tilana amu kubaku to mud disetu un.
Very good. You applied all the rules. Yeah.
Wow.
Very good.
Okay.
I like that.
Is what is this?
It's recording.
That's good.
It's recording.
Okay, bra.
Where you want me to stop?
Okay, you're gonna read the next from here up to here. I'm sorry, up to here. This point in here.
Jesus. Linda Beheri Terrentana, La Risihabu, La Hawinwa do Garinago, Abba Hagumasaron, Anani Hahom, Abba Haguda no Habanage, Garinago, Tabuya. Tawin Song Hachario, Darilo, Labello, Gudeme, Sugulo, Yamuro, Chuluago, Umi. Umi. Dambe to Harihi, Lilana Falaso Lao, Halmaha, La Terrentana no, Habagachani, Abba. Harriet, no worry.
Bravo!
This is proof that we got some learning.
From here, next one we'll read from here.
Come on, Ali.
Why not to here? Up to here, yeah.
Whoa.
From here to here. I'll stain this.